Resin shells, dual magnetic drivers, a detachable cable and 3 different tuning modes, all for just $12. It almost sounds too good to be true. But let's dive in and see if the CVJ TXS lives up to its impressive specifications. CVJ is a young Chinese IEM manufacturer located in Dongguan, China. The TXS inner monitors are one of their recent models and offer an impressive array of features at an incredibly affordable price point. Available in different colors and with or without a microphone, the TXS retails for just about $12. In addition to the IEMs themselves, the package includes 3 pairs of silicone ear tips in different sizes, a 5 and 4 stranded oxygen-free copper cable with gold-plated 2-pin connectors, and a pin to adjust the integrated switches. The shells are made from polycarbonate resin and are available in 4 colors: white, blue, green and black. The specifications are solid, including an impedance of 22 ohms, a sensitivity of 115 dB and a frequency range of 20 to 20,000 Hz. The comfort and ergonomics of the earphones are excellent, providing a snug fit that's ideal for extended listening sessions and an average isolation. The CVJ TXS inner monitors are easy to drive and compatible with a wide range of audio sources, including weaker ones. By adjusting the 2 switches on the shell, you can choose between 3 different tuning modes: cell phone mode, game mode and hi-fi mode. From what I can tell, the hi-fi mode offers the most balanced sound signature, whereas the cell phone mode appears to provide a subtle lift of the mid-range, and the game mode seems to enhance the highs, aiming for a more detail-rich reproduction. At this price range, I do not expect audiophile level performance, and it's likely that most users will use these for podcast or pop music, and for that they certainly do not disappoint. The bass is vivacious and textured, with a strong presence in the sub-bass and added weight to bass baritone vocals, bass drum kicks and bass guitars. The mid-range has a distinct V-shaped signature, highlighting lively upper frequencies for an engaging presentation. And although the mid-bass does bleed through slightly, this adds a pleasant richness, enhancing the overall musical experience. The treble extension is moderate, but mostly free from sibilance or harshness. While it may not deliver an airy or sparkly sound, its overall performance remains commendable. The soundstage is decent with a 2-dimensional imaging that allows for the placement of vocals and instruments. Another interesting and affordable IEM in the sub $20 category is the SIMGOT EW100P. When comparing the CVJ TXS to the SIMGOT EW100P, notable differences in sound signature and technical performance arise. The EW100P presents a warm U-shaped profile with less emphasis on bass and treble compared to the TXS. While the EW100P boasts superior bass quality with tightness, the TXS offers a more prominent and engaging bass experience. Additionally, the TXS showcases a vibrant and energetic presentation in the highs. In terms of timbre, the TXS delivers a distinct and captivating sound. While the EW100P outperforms the TXS in certain technical aspects such as clarity, micro-detailing, imaging and instrument separation, the TXS still holds its own with its balanced V-shaped tonality and its ability to provide an immersive listening experience. Overall, if you prefer a sound signature with a more prominent bass and energetic highs, along with the captivating timbre of the TXS, it remains a compelling choice, despite the technical advantages of the SIMGOT EW100P. The CVJ TXS inner monitors showcase a refined and mature sound signature, exemplifying CVJ's ability to deliver quality even in their ultra-budget offerings. The tonal balance achieves a pleasing equilibrium between accuracy and an engaging listening experience. The inclusion of tuning switches further enhances the TXS's versatility, allowing users to customize the sound to their preferences. Despite its low price point, it still surpasses expectations with a solid sound quality and a range of features, making it an excellent choice for budget-minded individuals who still want a high-quality audio experience. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.